Hey kids! Today we are going to draw a cute little seal. Nice! I will start with the head and then I will draw beautiful big eyes. We will spend the most time on those because seals have incredibly lovely deep eyes. It's such an adorable animal. Here's a fun fact about seals. They can hold their breath underwater for a very long time. In the description, you will find the crayons you can use. I would also like to ask you to subscribe. The body of the seal is quite easy to draw. Just add the flippers and then we can start coloring. Good work! It's such an adorable animal. I am coloring my seal in shades of blue and gray. It looks so pretty. Have fun coloring and see you next time!